To set up timer resolution to get lower input delay, the first thing that you need to do is go to the Safari, Chrome, or Google and search for timeresolution.net. Afterwards, you will be redirected on their official website wherein you have to download the timer resolution application or file to your PC, laptop, or mobile phone. Afterwards, you will see the download timer resolution. What you need to do is to click on the download here options or the download here button. Now you will see there that the timer resolution .zip has been already downloaded. What you need to do is to click on that and make sure that you have already unzipped the file. Once you have already unzipped the file, go to the desktop settings and open the timer resolution application or file that you just downloaded. Afterwards, click on the default option. So now you can go ahead and set up the timer resolution to get lower input delay on your PC.